everyone, I'm Jodi. Welcome to my channel and welcome to look 3 of our fall makeup tutorials based on this fall's hottest beauty trends. What would a fall makeup look be without, cozy sweaters, or in my case, a nice cozy flannel? I love this time of the year because I love flannels. And this flannel, straight off Amazon, really loving it. I'll link it down below. It's been washed at least, let me not fib, at least twice, probably 3 times, and it still looks and feels beautiful. I like soft flannels. I don't like really thin ones. I don't like super thick ones. These are just perfect. Anyway, we're not here to have a fashion show on flannels, but we are here to talk about fall makeup. And what I love about this tutorial is you can adapt the looks of the eyes with whatever colors. If you've got on a flannel or you like to wear patterns in your clothes, you can pick out a couple of the warmer tones from whatever outfit you have on, put a little bit of them on your eyes, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. So if you're ready, let's just jump into our fall look number 3. All right, so for this look, I've already done my foundation and a little bit of bronzer and contour, and of course my concealer underneath my eyes, because you guys have seen me do that twice now, and that routine really hasn't changed from look to look as much as some of the other parts of the makeup look, being the eyes and the lips and somewhat of the cheeks. So that's the stuff that we're gonna do together today. First thing I'm gonna do is go in with some MAC Painterly, and I'm gonna go right on top of my eyelids because you guys know the drill. I just want to neutralize those because for this look, that is going to be important. I want them to be more matte, not really shiny, not a lot of shimmer, more of just a neutral, no makeup look to the lids. That is until we start adding stuff back on top of it. So paying close attention to that inner corner of the nose where it can get a little bit discolored, and making sure that that is really bright so that it looks like your eyes are more youthful, alive, awake, all those words that we want our makeup to do. I sure hope you guys have enjoyed these tutorials as much as I have enjoyed putting them together for you. I love all things fall and I love all things makeup, so this has been a lot of fun. All right, now that we've got that on, I do want to go and do my blush before I forget. I'm going to use the Halo Glow by e.l.f. And I'm just gonna put a couple, I'm not sure what color this is, I'll add it in the description box below, but I want a youthful look here. So we're just gonna put a few dots. Does that look even? Right through there. And then I'm gonna go in and just press those in with my fingertips. These Halo Glow wands by e.l.f. have been a lot of fun to use and to play with. They're affordable enough that I actually have the highlighter, the contour, and the blush in one color. Again, I'll link that down below. And they're easy, they're fast, they're effective. They give me the look that I want. And look at that. It's got a nice little glow to it as if I've already added highlighter and blush, and I didn't. It was one step. You guys saw how fast it is. We need a little bit more on this side. Yeah, perfect. Ta-da! So next for this look, I'm gonna go in with my dark eyeliner. This is Dark Side by Anastasia of Beverly Hills. Any black eyeliner will work, whether you're more comfortable with a pencil or a gel or even a liquid. And I just wanna go, and I've already curled my lashes, and I wanna slightly close my eyes and go to that outer corner and just flick it up ever so lightly. Now, if you've got hooded eyes or you've got droopy eyelids that cover up this part of your eyelid, it's okay. Just take that little bit of darkness until you touch that droopiness, and then you can stop there. And we'll finish the rest of that with a little bit of eyeshadow. So don't feel like you can't do this look if you've got a droop that covers any part of your eyelid. Then taking your pencil and just draw a little bit of a V, but stopping at the highest point of your eye as it starts to curve around. So kind of that halfway mark, wherever that is for you, and then go back and fill that in. And where you've stopped your eyeliner at the top, you want that to blend right into your lash line. You want the thickness of that eyeliner to start thicker on the outer corner and then go thin and go right into your lash line right at the top. So it almost looks like it just nosedives right into your lash line. We're not going for an extreme wing or anything like that. You just want to make sure that wherever that point is, it is not pointing down. You want it definitely at an upward angle, and you can just clean it up with your finger, and then we can go back through and touch it up with a little bit of concealer. No worries. So you should end up with something similar to that. Now we're gonna pick up our eyeshadow palette. This is the Too Faced Natural Matte. If I can find it, you guys, I will link it for you down below. It is really hard to find, and I would love for Too Faced to please bring this back. But that's okay. Any matte that you have that is on the darker brown side, or any of the colors maybe that you have if you've got any type of a flannel shirt on. If you love wearing flannel shirts like I do in the fall, just pick up a couple colors out of your palette that matches the colors that you have in your flannel. For the first placement of eyeshadow, I'm gonna go for one of the darker colors. I'm gonna go with this one right here, which is pretty warm. So I'm gonna also go up and grab this one. You notice I put that right on the tip of the brush. You can clearly see the two different colors, which is what we want. I'm gonna have those two connect. And then on the top, I'm gonna go right on top of that black color that we placed and just soften that whole thing, which is perfect. So you don't have to worry about how perfectly lined up that wing is, because it's not a wing at all. And on the underside of the lashes, we're just really coming in about the width of the brush. And then we're gonna go right on top of that and smudge it. Something just about like that. It doesn't have to be precise. Now I'm going to go in with a larger fluffy brush. This is the A502. I talk a lot about the A504, which is smaller than this one. This is the A502 by Angie Hot and Flashy. And I'm just going to lightly blur that out. If you typically wear cooler eyeshadow tones, fall is a great time to pull in some of those warmer shades. It just plays to the colors of the season. And we're just gonna blend that ever so lightly. And as we blend, we're gonna pull up and out. And you notice I didn't bring that color as far in as I brought that black eyeliner. You really wanna keep it to that outer corner, outer third of your eye. Do the same thing over here. Next, I'm gonna grab a fluffy blending brush. You can grab a taper brush, whatever brush you have that is not too big, but fluffy enough for blending. And then going back to the palette, I'm gonna grab this yellowy color, a mustard color almost, because it pulls with some of the mustard in my shirt. You can grab whatever color works best for you. Tap off any excess. And I'm just gonna go right on top of everything I just placed, because I wanna add more warmth to that outer corner, and then a little bit to that crease. And with this color, I want to bring it outside my eyelid, more in that eye socket, all the way to the corner of my nose, but not going on my eyelid. This is a great look for those of you with hooded eyes or with droopy eyelids. You just close your eyes and ensure that it's pulled rather taut, and then place that right where you want it on that eye socket, allowing you to create that faux crease. And in terms of how high you want to bring that color, take the width of your brush and place it right at your eyebrow and bring it down to that outer corner. That's about how high you want to bring it, and then go back in and really blend that out. We just want to blend that out really nicely so it's very, very soft. Can't tell where the line started or where they ended. Going back into that same crease color with a small straight edge brush, and I'm going over what we colored at the bottom on both sides. And we're almost done with this one. And just take a clean brush that you have, and I'm gonna go into my lighter color and then put that color on the side of my brush. And with that, I'm just gonna take a quick swipe right under my brow. And then we are ready for mascara. Today I'm gonna use the Lash and Roll by e.l.f. This has been just a nice surprise. This and that Thrive Cosmetics has been nice surprises when it comes to mascara. I will probably do 2 coats because this is a pretty lash heavy look. I mean, if I'm wearing a flannel shirt, I kind of want a look that says, I'm not trying to glam it up, but I want to look a little better than no makeup, of course. Why else go through all this? And you can go across the bottom lashes if you want to. Why not? I'll go back and do a second coat, and you know me, probably a third coat before it's all said and done. If you want this look to go a little darker, you can always grab your black eyeliner or a softer eyeliner and go right into that watermark. I'm gonna use Teddy by MAC and just go up into that lash line on the upper lashes. You don't have to do this to get this look. I added my second coat of mascara. Now I'm gonna grab my lip liner. This is Structure by Pat McGrath. It's just the perfect fall lip liner color. And to top that off, I just added some Joyful by e.l.f. This is their hydration line. I really love that, and I love this color. And there's our third and final look. It's easy, it looks effortless, but it pulls together sort of your whole fall outfit to the casual side. Of course, throw your hair in a pony if you really want it to read casual. Casual, but you know, chic. Well, I hope you guys have enjoyed this series of fall tutorials as much as I have enjoyed bringing them to you. Mix and match it, just using these techniques, but incorporating the colors that you already have, or go out on a limb and get some fun fall colors and just have some fun experimenting. Thanks so much for watching these tutorials. As always, come back and check them out as many times as you need to. And you know I love getting ready with you guys, so be sure to play these in the morning when you're putting your makeup on. Hit pause, rewind it if you have to, until you get that look exactly the way you want it. And if no one's told you today, you are beautiful with or without makeup. Have fun with it, and I will see you guys in just a couple days. Have a great rest of your day, and as always, thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.